This is the brand new Axial SCX24 Ford Bronco, which appears to be the most detailed version of this 124 scale crawler platform to date. We're gonna get this truck out of the box, I'm gonna give you guys a quick look, and then we'll take it out for a drive to see how it performs. What's nice is this truck comes completely ready to run. It has everything you need included. In the box, you receive a 2.4 gigahertz Horizon Hobby 4-channel transmitter. Seems like a pretty solid unit overall. Axial includes a nice instruction manual, which will walk you through all the basics regarding how to operate the vehicle. They provide a battery safety guide, a couple of decal sheets that have all of the graphics and badges for the different trim levels of the full-size Ford Bronco. They give you a USB LiPo charger to charge the 2S 350 milliamp 30C LiPo battery pack that's included in the truck. They also threw in a set of 4 AA batteries for the transmitter, along with a bag of some additional drive shaft pieces and a little starter tool so you can wrench on the vehicle. This SCX24 is available in red, gray, and then this blue version that you see here. Now, I'm truly blown away by the amount of scale detail that Axial has incorporated into this officially licensed Ford Bronco body. It's actually a thicker hard plastic body compared to the Lexan bodies that are typically found on these SCX24s. Axial really went the extra mile and they put a separate black plastic grille. They have door handles, even side mirrors, which is something a lot of people have been asking for on these SCX24s. These side mirrors are pretty stout and seem like they're going to hold up great to some abuse. There's a roof rack up top with a bunch of scale accessories attached to it, and you can actually remove these traction boards if you wanted to. They're technically functional. All you have to do is just twist this little latch and both of them can be removed from the top. There is a fully functional spare tire just mounted right on the back like the full-size Ford Broncos. Now you can take the spare tire off the rear of the body with a 1.5 millimeter hex driver. These clear plastic windows allow you to see through to the black Lexan interior on the inside. Then to match the new body, they added a new plastic front and rear bumper setup, and this front bumper actually has functional D-rings. Like, you could hook up a mini tow strap and do some recoveries with this truck if you wanted. In the front bumper, Axial includes 2 white LED lights, similar to the rest of the SCX24 lineup, but just above that we actually have 2 more white LED lights in the headlight buckets of the body. And probably one of my favorite features is that the headlights can be controlled independently from the lights in the front bumper. So you can just use the 3-position switch on the 3rd channel of your transmitter and you can turn the headlights off, you can turn them on, or you can even have them flashing. On all 4 corners of the truck we have some of the updated foamless Nitto Trail Grappler tires, and they're wrapped on some black replica Ford Bronco wheels. The front of this body is held onto the chassis with some Velcro, and then it actually hinges on the rear, so the body just flips up. The electronics on the inside are pretty standard. We have the Horizon Hobby 2-in-1 ESC and receiver combo. Mounted on the front axle we have an Axial AS1 micro servo that turns the front tires and also has a servo saver to prevent it from stripping out. I did notice that the battery is now mounted sideways on the chassis with a different battery tray. Then the rest of the vehicle is your typical SCX24. Technically the full-size Broncos have independent front suspension, but these solid axles work great for crawling. They have all metal internals and they actually have a tiny worm gear setup which works great as a drag brake. Now let's get this thing out in the woods and on the trail to see what it's capable of. So far, I'm having a blast with this truck. The suspension is very soft and responsive, which is nice for such a light vehicle. The friction shocks are a little bouncy, and I noticed that on inclines, the truck will occasionally bring the nose up from the weight of the spare tire in the rear. But other than that, it seems like a very capable vehicle. A sincere thanks to Axial for producing such a cool product, and Horizon Hobby for providing this vehicle prior to its release. Smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe. I'll catch you in the next video.